Living alone is freedom until your wallet starts crying. If you have ever asked yourself, how do I survive financially on my own? Then stick around because in this video I have gotten when I first started living alone, I felt it's gonna be fun, peaceful, and even privacy. But after bills, food, and rent at the middle of the month, I was so broke. That was when I discovered these money making strategies that changed everything for me, and I'm about to share it with you. When you start living alone, every bill is on you. Rent, yours. Food, yours. And if you are not smart about making money, you see that solo lifestyle can quickly turn into solo stress. But here is the way out. Because living alone don't have to drain your wallet. In fact, it can actually push you to become more creative and more independent. So in this video, I'm going to show you practical, realistic, and proven way to make money even while living solo. So we are going to cover these 7 aspects. Number 1, how to understand and plan your money need. Number 2, ways to turn your living space into an income. Number 3, online hustle you can start right from your couch. Number 4, offline side job that actually pay well. Number 5, money saving hacks that feel like income. Number 6, passive income strategies. And finally, number 7, the mindset you need to stay motivated while living solo. So grab your popcorn, let's strategize together. And at the end, you will have roadmap to build income stream that fit your solo lifestyle. Before you can start making money, you need to know how much you need, because when you start living alone, every expenses is on you. There is no roommate to share the rent with and no one to share the food bills with. That means budgeting become your best friend. So here is what you will do. Write down your monthly non-negotiable. Let's do a little math. For instance, rent $400, utility bills $100, grocery $200, transportation $100, miscellaneous $100. That is total of $900. Once you know this number, you will realize something powerful, which is your money making goal. So now it won't be a big random figure anymore. It will be about you covering this exact amount first. That is why I always advise you know your survival number, because once your survival number is clear, the next step will feel less overwhelming. And that takes us to the next part. Your biggest expenses, which is your home, can become your biggest source of income. Why most people see their apartment as just an expense? If you think creatively, it can actually earn you money. This is how to do it in 4 ways. You can rent out that spare room by putting it on Airbnb, even if it's just a couch. Some app let you host a short stay. Number 2 is store space rental. This is where people pay to store their stuff. That is if you have an extra closet. Number 3 is garage or even a corner. Platform like neighbor.com let you rent those space. Number 4 is pet sitting or babysitting. This one, apps like Rover connect you to pet owner and you will be paid well to take care of cat or dog while working from home. You can as well turn your cooking into cash. That is, if you love cooking, you can sell meals from your kitchen, and as well use apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or even local WhatsApp and Instagram hustle can make that possible for you. See, instead of house draining money from you every month, let it become an asset. And speaking of assets, your laptop and internet connection might just be your powerful one. Because when living alone, making money at home is not just convenient, it's smart. Now, let's talk about some online hustle that you can start right from your home. And I will as well show you some offline solo hustle. These are 5 online hustle that will give you fast money if you start. Number 1 is freelancing. If you can write, design, edit video, or even manage social media, then you can monetize that skill by visiting sites like Upwork and Fiverr, where people look for such skills. With Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube, you can document your solo living journey, where you can be showing your cooking alone, organizing small spaces, or even your budgeting hacks. Because people like related content, and content like this always attracts sponsorship, which takes us to the 3rd part, which is online tutoring, where you can teach almost anything you know very well. You can teach maths, English, or even your dialect using websites like Preply or Cambly. This site make it easier to start. The 4th one is digital product, from ebook to template guide. For instance, you can write about solo meal prep guide or budget tracker for single living. The 5th one is remote job like customer service, virtual assistance, or even tech support. Many companies now hire 100% remote. The beauty of online business is freedom. You save transportation, set your schedule, and also work in your own space. But what if you are thinking you don't want to remain stuck indoor all day? Then don't worry, I have also put in place some nice offline hustle that you can start as well, because really not every side hustle require a screen. So here are some real world ideas where you can start with delivering service, that is food, grocery, or carrier gig. If you have bike or leg, you can earn. Personal services, this is another nice one where you can start laundering pickup, cleaning, and grocery shopping for neighbors. Busy people will happily pay you good amount of money for their own convenience. The third one is event support, which is you doing bartending, photography, or serving at events. This particular one pays so well, especially on weekend. Fourth one is renting out your skills. That is, if you have tools, you can offer furniture assembly, and if you love organizing, offer home decluttering services. The advantage of offline hustle is that it will get you out of the house and help you meet people, and this will help you reduce the loneliness of solo living. And making money isn't about any money, it's about you keeping more money. And you living alone means you control your habits, and little habits can save you 100 each month. Cook at home instead of ordering out. You can actually save $200 every month just with this habit. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned, and when you combine savings and active income, that is when things really take off. Now let's talk about money that works even while you sleep. Passive income is the dream, right? Here are realistic ways to start. Create t-shirt, mug, or tote bag on Redbubble or Teespring because it has nothing to do with inventories. Number 2 is affiliate marketing, where you share links to any product that you love, and on any sales you make, you earn commission. For instance, if you love coffee, share your coffee machine affiliate links. The third one is investing apps like Robinhood or Bamboo. This app lets you start small and grow over time. Fourth one is to rent out things that you own, and these things can be either bike, camera, or musical instruments. Although passive income won't make you rich overnight, but it will help you build long-time financial stability. And living alone means you have the flexibility to experiment without ever asking anyone permission. But here is the part nobody talks about. Your mindset while living alone can sometimes feel insulating, and when money gets tight, your stress doubles. That is why mindset matters. So treat this phase as training for independence. Stay disciplined, because if you can manage your time and money now, you will be unstoppable later. And don't compare your progress with others. Focus on your growth, and always remember that success don't come overnight. And if you stay consistent with even the smallest hustle we talk about in this video, 6 months from now you will look back and be amazed at how far you've come. There you have it, the realistic and practical ways to make money while living solo. We have covered knowing your solo money need, turning your home into an income source, online and offline saving tracks, passive income, and the mindset to keep going. Now I want to hear from you. What hustle or idea are you going to try? Drop it at the comment section. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button and share this video to any friend who lives alone. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical money and lifestyle tips. Until next time, remember, living alone isn't a disadvantage. It is your chance to build your independence, freedom, and your own money story. You've got this.